Did you know the textile and footwear industries are among the top contributors to environmental impact? But what if we could turn that around, together? Sustainability has become a market driver, critical for our planet's future and a central concern for consumers. The pressure to save resources, reduce waste and lower carbon footprints has never been higher. SGS is your trusted partner for tackling these challenges. We help Softlines manufacturers, brands and retailers unlock opportunities in 4 key areas: product sustainability, process sustainability, better chemicals management, and carbon solutions. Imagine creating products that last longer, can be recycled more easily, and build trust with your customers through transparent supply chains. Product durability, circularity and traceability are no longer aspirations. They are essential to your success today. Consumers and regulators now demand products that are built to last, easy to recycle and sourced from transparent, ethical supply chains. True sustainability goes beyond your products. It's also about implementing the best available practices and transforming the way you work. We help you run smarter, more sustainable operations by streamlining supply chains, cutting waste and conserving resources. Our expertise in chemical management ensures safety, cost efficiency and compliance with regulations like REACH and California Prop 65, along with implementing best practices through SGS Softlines and BlueSign. Ready to take your decarbonisation journey further? We create customised roadmaps and conduct life cycle assessments to help you hit your sustainability goals. Together, we can redefine sustainability in textiles and footwear, minimising environmental impact, meeting regulations, and enhancing your brand's sustainability commitment. Let's make a positive influence for your business and for the planet.